This is the Depot Street grade crossing located on the Iowa Interstate Blue Island Sub in DePue, Illinois. Here we have two CSX style signals, each with incandescent lights and one mechanical bell. This is over looking north. You look here at the southern signal. Main lights, we got 12 by 24 inch Safetran incandescents that are a little out of whack. This still has the old CSX style dot tag with an Iowa Interstate logo covering over it. Dot number 603838G or 839G. Here's the newer one down here. Got a single-sided Safetran base. Gate mechanism, we got a Safetran 2000s one with a standard gate mount. Side view lights with a Safetran junction box. You can really see how out of alignment the lights are. Back view of the lights. This gate has a newer striping with 4-inch RECO gate lights. I think they're LED. Also forgot to point out there's an old WRS base sitting over there. Not sure what used to be there, if that was like a gateless signal or an old gated signal. Because line through here used to be double track at one point, so that might be where the old signal used to be. That was here before the CSX ones. Here's a back view of the southern signal. The grade here is all wood. Here's the relay case in the northwest quadrant. Track U facing west towards Bureau, Mineral, Atkinson, and the Quad Cities. And track U facing east towards Peru, LaSalle, and the CSX connection in Utica. So these signals were installed in the late 90s or early 2000s. Actually, probably late 90s because of the mechanical bell on that one. They probably replaced old WRS signals here. Again, that base there might have been where the old southern signal used to be. I'm not sure why that stayed there all these years, but definitely interesting to see. CSX took over, or Iowa Interstate took over this line in 2006, so the signals were installed way before then, obviously. However, these signals will soon get replaced with new WCH signals. You can see conduit in most of the quadrants. Over there. And then I don't think there's any over there yet. But yeah, these signals will get replaced here probably sometime this year. I would guess probably in the spring. They've gotten 5 crossings through LaSalle installed already. And with the mechanical bell here, you'd think, oh, this is going to be the death of mechanical bells in DePue because the next crossing already has an E-bell. But thankfully that won't be the case because Iowa Interstate is using WCH 3rd generation mechanical bells on the new signals on this line. The 5 crossings that have been installed through LaSalle, Peru all have mechanical bells on them. So while this mechanical bell will die, there'll be a new one to take its place. So once they get both crossings here, DePue will actually gain a mechanical bell back, which will be really nice to see. It's always fascinating to see any railroads still use mechanical bells in the 2020s. So I am more than happy to see that. Here's an overview now looking south. Get a look here at the northern signal. Once again, we got 12 by 24 inch Safetran incandescents. CSX dot tag again. And then the newer Iowa Interstate one. Got another single-sided Safetran base. Side view of the lights with a Safetran junction box. And this also has a Safetran 2000s gate mechanism with a standard gate mount. And then up top we got a 2nd generation WCH mechanical bell. Like I said, this will get replaced with a 3rd generation one when the new signals go in. Back view of the lights. This gate has the older striping that's upside down, and this has 4-inch Safetran incandescents. I'm surprised I don't see any conduit on this side, unless it's like barely sticking out of the ground and I just don't see it. And here's a back view of the northern signal. So like I said, these signals will probably get replaced sometime in the spring, and whenever that happens, I will come back to do an update tour of the new signals. Anyways, this has been the Depot Street grade crossing. Rest in peace, CSX signals.